Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Tega. In this video, I'll be showing you how to tighten baggy t-shirt sleeve. As you can see here, the sleeve is very baggy. So all you need to do is to grab your tape measure and measure the area you want tightened. Then transfer on the t-shirt. So I'm transferring the hem width here, which is 6. Half of 12 inches is 6. So I've made my marking and I will draw a line from the hem hole there, from where the sleeve connects to the hem hole. So you want to draw your line like that. I'll be taking additional half an inch off. So half here and half on the other side of the sleeve. Instead of the 6 inches, we now have 5.5 inches, so making 11 inches in total. Now you want to go over to your sewing machine, lay your sleeve down and start sewing from the hem hole like that. So you want to watch me how I achieve this. So you want to run your stitches along the line you've drawn all the way to the hem width, and make sure the hem width is equal there, is well laid, so one side is not longer than the other. And that's it, all done. And this other method I'm gonna be showing you, you starting the sewing from the hem width and you run your stitches all the way to the hem hole, right? You can do it this other way as well, apart from the first method I've shown you. You want to run your stitches all the way from the hem width to the hem hole, and you'll still come up with the same result as the first method. So these are two ways by which you can tighten your t-shirt sleeves. You can do this under 5 minutes. And you want to grab your scissors, and it's time to cut the excess fabric off and apply the overlocker. Alternatively, you can grab your shearing scissors and it will still do the same job, because it's a C-shirt. Guys, this fabric wouldn't frail. So you want to apply your shearing scissors and cut, or you want to apply your normal scissors and use your zigzag stitches of your sewing machine or your overlocker, and this is the result you should have. You should have a smooth finish, as you can see here, very smooth, and this is the end result. I hope this video will help someone out there who's been looking for ways to tighten their baggy t-shirt sleeve. You want to remember to hit that subscribe button and press the notification bell. So I'll see you in my next video. Till then, look after yourself and bye for now.